Hey friends, thank you so much for clicking on my video. So today we're gonna do something a little different. There is this video going viral about this device that is actually a toy. It's actually a toy for little kids, but some crazy nut genius somewhere decided to use this item to clean like their beauty blenders and their brushes. So everybody's going out and buying this thing. I'm gonna show you what it is soon. And I decided, why not buy it, make a video on it, and put it on YouTube? Because either this invention is going to be amazing, or I literally wasted $5. So with that being said, we're gonna get started with this video. Alright, so disclaimer, just so we can, get it over with. You guys might notice that I am not wearing any makeup. It's because I didn't feel like doing it. Some days you just want to give your face a break, and I figured this is a great video to record because it actually has nothing to do with me putting something on my face. So please forgive me that I'm not beat to the gods or I don't have a full face of makeup. I really just wanted to come on camera, test out a weird product for you guys, and have a good laugh, because I'm pretty sure we're gonna have a good laugh about this. Okay, so disclaimer over. Alright, so there's this video going viral online, and it is of a child's toy. It's literally a mini washing machine. It's a battery-powered child's washing machine that someone decided, I wonder if that can clean my beauty blender. And according to the video that they posted, it apparently works and cleaned this person's beauty blender. So I bought the little mini washing machine, and I have a bag of dirty sponges, and I have a bag of dirty brushes. So we are going to see if this device actually works. So before we get into the demo, I'm actually going to play the video that is going viral on Twitter and Instagram, just so you guys, so we have kind of like a baseline, like this is what should happen, and then I'm going to see what actually does happen, because I don't know about you, but I definitely think there was some editing involved in this video, and I don't have the highest hopes for this item. So I'm gonna play the video now. Alright, so I did change the camera angle so we can unbox it. My box had a bad time coming through the mail. If you can see, I actually ordered mine from eBay, and it came from China. So it definitely didn't have the best travel experience, if you can tell. So I hope it actually works. So let's open the box. Alright, so this is how it comes. It literally just comes with this foam net on it. And this is the actual product. And it does not come with instructions. So this is going to be very interesting. So I figured we can actually try cleaning a tiny dirty sponge. Then I have a black one that's covered with like foundation and powder. And then I have just one covered with powder. And I figured we can try those to see if they actually get clean. But first, we have to put the batteries in. So I do know that the battery pack is at the bottom. And I do have some AA batteries. So I am going to put the batteries in. And it, of course, doesn't come with the batteries. So just keep that in mind. That, ooh! Oh! Oh, okay. Well, at least I know it works. This is what we have so far. So how it works is you're supposed to pour the water inside. Then you're supposed to put your soap inside the washing machine and turn it on and drop your sponge in there, and it's supposed to get clean. Now how you get the water out is there's this hose right here that lets the water like drip out of like the actual washing machine. So you're supposed to wash it, dump all the water, and then rinse it. So we're gonna try it out. So I bought a little container that we're gonna actually use to dump the water in. But for now, we are going to, all right, we're gonna try it. Okay, so we're gonna take some water, and I'm gonna move this up so we could actually see. So we're gonna pour some water in there. Okay. And then we're gonna add some soap. I'm gonna add a generous amount. And then we're gonna try the small one first, okay? So we're gonna drop it in and then let it go. We're gonna add that in. It's getting bubbly! Oh my god! That's kind of cool. So we're gonna let it do its thing. Okay. So I just want to see what it looks like so far. And I mean, it's still pretty dirty. I'm not gonna lie. Like, do you see that? It's still really dirty. So I'm gonna let it go a little longer. Alright, so let's take another look. So it's really soapy. Let's see. Let's squeeze this out. So this is what I have. I mean, it's still dirty. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to give it a fair shake, and I'm going to drain this water, refill it up, and wash it a second time. And I do want to note that it does leak a little bit. So just be mindful if you're going to test this out. Put it on like a towel like I did. So we're going to... Ew, that's gross. Ew! So I did have a little bit of an accident. We're gonna ignore this. and we're going to continue on with the video. So we're going to add some more water in. Cool. And I hope you guys can see. And then we're going to add some soap. And then we're going to drop that back in. And we're going to let it do its thing. So I did change the angle just so you guys can see inside better. So we're gonna stop it. And I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see, but look, that's clean. Like, look at that. Oh, snap. Now, I'm not gonna lie, it's a lot quicker just to wash your beauty blender in the sink, but this, I mean, it's still a little dirty. Like, we could see a little dirt, but I'm pretty impressed. I mean, I didn't think it was gonna work at all. So now we're gonna rinse that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our dirty water and we're gonna fill it. Alright, so this time we're just gonna fill it with water and we're not gonna add any more soap. I just want to put a disclaimer. It's actually really hard to clean this out because there's still like bubbles and stuff in it. But YOLO. And we're just going to let that go through a cycle. Alright, so we're going to stop this. And we're going to pull the sponge out. And if you can see, it still has a ton of soap in it. Like, it's still extremely soapy. So yeah, it got it clean, but it's like getting it rinsed out. But I mean, it is clean. It did clean it, but you would have to rinse your sponge after, if you can see. So this is what we're gonna do. I'm going to empty this and we're gonna try a bigger dirty sponge. It doesn't spin as well with the big one. I think because the big one is taking up too much space. Like, do you see it? It looks like it's real struggling. It's struggle busting. Alright, so I'm going to stop it and pull this out. And we're going to wring it out. And that is clean. Like, that is actually really clean. I don't see anything. So I'm pretty impressed with that. That's really good. Alright, so we're going to try one more. And this one is a black beauty blender and it has powder and concealer on it. This one's the grimiest of them all. So if it could get this one clean, it could get anything clean. Alright, so we're going to take a look at this just to see how's it coming. And look at the bottom. The bottom's really clean. The top isn't, because I think because the top was sticking out. So what I'm going to do is put this in upside down and let it continue going. Oh, it doesn't like that. Look, it's barely going. Hold on. It's like because it's absorbing most of the product. So let's try. So it actually doesn't like to be upside down, if you can see. So I put it upside down so the tip can kind of get some cleaning action, but it's not turning. So like if I turn it the opposite way, which is this way. Oh, it doesn't even want to turn either. It's because it's getting super heavy. Like, do you see that? Because it's, the bigger that your sponge gets, like, do you see that? I mean, I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty clean. I mean, it's not as clean as I would like it to be, but I mean, it did get off a lot of the dirt. Okay, so I got it all cleaned up, if you can see. I do want to put another point in there that I can actually smell, like, the rotor in there, like the burning plastic, because it leaks from the bottom. So things are definitely burning out in there. I can't believe this is a kid's toy. Like, hopefully I don't get electrocuted. Like, can you get electrocuted with something that's battery powered? Okay, so we have literally tried this on beauty sponges, and these are my thoughts. Does it get your stuff clean? I mean, like this sponge is clean. It's soapy still, but it's clean. Like, all I would have to do is rinse this under the water of my sink, and these are good. Like, even this one had concealer on it, and it's 100% clean, if you can see. Like, there's no marks on it. This one, we had difficulty because it got too big and it wouldn't turn anymore. So it's still a little dirty, but I mean, it's not bad. Does it work? Yes, it does work, but it doesn't work at the same time. And what I mean by that is, like, yeah, you can get something clean, but I literally had to wash this one twice, and then I rinsed it with like a clean cycle. And in the amount of time that I did cleaning this, which was probably like, I don't know, like at least 6 minutes to 8 minutes to clean like this one sponge, I could have cleaned all 3 of these sponges, but it takes so long. Like, I wouldn't tell you, like, if you have like 20 sponges and 100 brushes, that this is the item that you should buy to clean your stuff. It's just not realistic. Like, it's something fun and cute that you can have and be like, oh, I have this washing machine that can clean my sponges. But like, I wouldn't recommend you using this on the daily. Like, it's a cute little novelty thing. But I want to say again that this is a toy. This is made for children. This is like a doll, like one of those things you can put in like a dollhouse. Like, this is not meant for this. So I can't judge it too hard. But I mean, it was fun. I think it was fun to use it. I mean, it was cute. So I don't know. I thought it was pretty cute. So with that, I'm going to end this video. I know it was a little weird and a little bit different than what I normally put out there, but I thought that I had to review this product because it's literally going viral. I do want to stress, however, that this is a toy. This is made for children, which I don't understand how this is made for children, because I definitely smell the burning plastic. It leaks all over the place. I'm pretty sure it's going to short out. I don't know if you could get electrocuted from a battery operated item. Like I said, if you know that, please put that in the comment box below and let me know if I could get electrocuted from this. I don't know if AA batteries have enough jolt to do that, but you never know. So, if you enjoyed this video, please like it. Shoot me a comment. Let me know if you're interested in purchasing this product, if you want to try it for yourself, or are you like, I'm going to pass on this one. And then, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so you know when I upload another video. I really enjoy my interaction with you guys, and I would love for you guys to join the fam. So, with that, I will see you guys next time. Bye, friends.